Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to make a calculator in Python 3 with few lines of code. Very easy. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Python updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, first I will show you working code. Here is my Python code. I have import date, and here are my input fields. Friends, now I will run my Python prompt first. Okay, guys, first I will enter my birth year 1986. Press enter, and now I will enter my birth month August. Press enter, and now I will enter my birthday like 26 and press enter. See guys, I am 35 years old. Again, I will show you. First, we'll run the program. Like you are born in 1990, month, Jan, and date 1. Now you are 31 years old. So guys, have you seen a calculator is working fine with Python 3? And guys, as well, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description and easy for implementation. Guys, I will come with more demos. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. Now, friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.